So is everybody on page 13? Yeah, okay. So by law, we are required to insure our vehicle in Manitoba. Okay. We purchase vehicle insurance through Manitoba Public Insurance Company. It's called MPI, known as Autopac. These are the several factors that will affect our insurance. So several factors. So the very first factor is vehicle information, and we saw this earlier, right? The make, model, and year of a vehicle. So that's the very first factor. The second factor is vehicle use. Is it all-purpose? And all-purpose means required if you drive your car to and from work regularly, it costs more than pleasure use. Okay, so all-purpose, we use it all the time. Pleasure, you can't take your car to work more than 4 times a month. 4 times a month there. And it's cheaper. Okay. Now somebody asked me, like, is it okay if I insure my car in pleasure, but then use it all the time? The answer would be no, because if I get caught, then we would have to get fines, right? So make sure, you know, it's all purpose. If you use it all the time, pleasure if we only use it 4 times a month, which really breaks down into 1 week, right? Use it once a week. So the third one is where you live. Where you live. So there are 4 territories. 1 is Winnipeg, Territory 2, Territory 3, Territory 4. So that's the south, mid, and north of Winnipeg, affected by the likelihood of an accident and availability of repair facilities. So where you live is the affects our insurance. So let's say we live in Winnipeg. Okay, so let's say I live in Winnipeg and somebody lives outside Winnipeg. Which one is more likely to have an accident? Winnipeg. Probably in Winnipeg, in the city, right? Because there are more people driving to and from, right? Yeah. So yeah, hitting the wildlife if somebody's like out there, right? Or if somebody's driving in the snow, slipping and sliding, going off the ditch. Those are the normal accidents that's happening outside the city. But most of the time, like, accidents are happening in the city, right? The fourth one is our driving record. Every year you drive up to 15 years without having at-fault accident, you get a small deduction to your insurance. So you get a discount. This is a discount, right? So somebody is a good driver, okay, quote unquote good driver, meaning no at-fault accident, we get a discount. So we kind of get a good incentive of good driving habits or behavior. The next one is deductible level. So if we choose a $500 deductible, that's actually the cheapest one. Okay, $500 is the cheapest. $500. If we choose a $500 deductible, our insurance will be cheaper. Okay, that's what I'm saying. A lower deductible means a higher insurance premium. So low deductible, we pay extra insurance. Low deductible have additional benefits though, right? So a lower deductible have additional benefits, means no deductible for glass repair and animal collision. So you have that's a lower deductible. You pay a little bit high insurance, but then you have additional benefits too. Number 6, third-party liability covers damages to other people or other people's property if you are at fault. The default amount is 200,000, right? That's a basic one. But then we can increase it to 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 7 million, or even 10 million. Okay? Normally people choose 1 million to 2 million. Highly recommended to increase over default amount. Higher third-party liability means higher insurance premium. And this is not a lot of difference, right? It's only maybe about 15 bucks. Okay, so it's not a lot. But if something does happen, at least you're covered up to $1 million or 2 million. Auto loss of use, this is an option with a temporary replacement of vehicle if your car has been in an accident or is not drivable. So if my car got into an accident or I got into an accident and it's in the repair shop, I don't have a vehicle, part of insurance that I could get a courtesy car, right? Yeah, I'm gonna write that down, courtesy car. Okay, this option will increase your insurance premium. Makes sense. And then last one, new car protection. This is only applied to brand new cars. If it's not a brand new, you don't do that. Okay? So those are the factors, okay? Factors that affects our insurance. Like I said, not a lot of calculation in here. It's just understanding those things. Okay? So your choice for all of the factors discussed in the previous page will determine the annual vehicle insurance premium. This is the amount that you need to pay to insure the vehicle for 1 year, because this is annually, right? You can opt to pay 1 payment, 4 payments, 12 payments per year. Choosing to make smaller payments more often over the year will cost slightly more than paying the entire amount for the year all at once. Okay, so you could pay 1 payment for the whole year, or you can do 4 payments, means every 3 months you pay, or 12 months per year. Every month it will be. Okay. Oh, look at that. We signed it already. Now, AutoPack has changed something a little bit. Okay, AutoPack changed a little bit just recently. Used to be that you can pay with your 12 payments per year. Every month they take it out from credit cards. Now they don't do that anymore. Okay, you can still pay credit cards with a 1 year full payment or 4 payments. But if it's 12 months, every month, they don't do the credit card anymore. Okay, so because I used to do credit cards to pay my AutoPack because I get points, right? So I think I told you that last semester. But now I have to go through the bank now. Automatic withdrawal or debit, because we're not going to go there every month to pay our AutoPack. It's automatically taken from your bank account. Okay, so that's it.